noticed in this 2011 Buick LaCrosse. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Why worry about high mileage? Choosing a ride with lower mileage is the right choice for your busy life. In the city or on the highway, you'll spend less time at the pump with this fuel-efficient vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.